picked it up and it like fucking, it's a fucking bug probably. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Ew, I picked it up and it popped. No. Ew, oh my god, I don't even know what that was. Ew, oh my god. What the hell? Ew, oh my god. Mary, throw this, oh my, oh. Oh. You bug. You pick it up and it squashed in my face. Ew. Fuck this plant. Fuck it forever. Oh. Oh.
Are you okay now?
What was that? Do you know?
No.
Ew. I was hoping you'd know. Ew.
Steven? I'm sorry, Alex having a panic attack. And I think it's hilarious.
Your fucking plant had something in it and it got on me.